Okay, welcome back to Show Me Down Under. And we have an unboxing, and this is a razor, a Gillette that I bought from an eBay seller in Spain. So I think we have a box here that's just covered in plastic. This makes it a lot easier. A bit like a Russian doll. Rightio, so I'm fairly excited for this one. It's something I haven't bought before. It seems in pretty good condition. So that's the front of it. And the back with the hinge. Let's open her up. So this is in really nice condition. So this is from around 1918. So this is where the brush would have been. Now, lucky enough, I have one of these brushes sitting at home that I bought some time ago. So how would it work? Anyway, I've got a brush that fits this. That's exactly the same brush that just came up for sale on eBay a year ago maybe, and I thought it was just by itself. I thought that could be worthwhile buying as a spare, and it's actually turned out to be a good investment. Anyway, put that to one side. Here it is. It's a single ring. This appears to me to be silver plated. Let's open it up. And there's a code on there. So we can read that to get the exact date, timeline. The one on the Mr. Razor website, his was dated at around 1918, so I figured that's when these came out. An old blade. And for the soap. So really this is in very nice condition for its age. Extremely nice condition. I'm really happy with that. Doesn't feel like the clip works anymore, but that's good. That's nothing. No major deal. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, or this video. Pop that back in there. And there it is. Thanks for watching. Take care. Ciao for now.